What's going on, guys? This is Jake, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an affiliate program in your Shopify store in just a couple of minutes. So to do this, we're going to be using the Easy Affiliate and Referral app, which you can get started with for completely free. So if you want to follow along with this video, you can search for Easy Affiliate and Referral in the Shopify App Store, or you can find it by clicking the first link in the description down below. So once you go ahead and install this app, we'll go ahead and get started with the setup. So as soon as you install the app, you're just gonna have to go through a few configuration steps, and then you'll be able to move forward with setting up your program. So this app's gonna allow you to set up an affiliate program and a referral program. So affiliates are going to be larger partners, people that are going to receive actual cash commissions when they refer people to your store. And then the referral program is going to be where customers share products with their friends and they receive automatic store credit. So both of these you can set up at the same exact time. First off, you can choose which programs you want to enable. If you only want to do affiliate, you can go ahead and disable this here, or you can just keep both of them checked. In this video, we're to just go through and set up both because it's going to be super quick. So we're just going to click on next, and then first we can set our rewards for the referral program. So by default, referral partners are always just going to receive automatic store credit. And then you can go ahead and choose the amount. So in this case, we'll say that they'll get 10% store credit for every order they refer. And then the customer discount. So this is going to be the discount that the customer actually receives when going through the shared link. We'll just go ahead and set this to 10 as well. Then I'm going to go to next. And then we just have to add in the sign up block to our theme customizer by clicking add block right here. So what this is going to do is this is going to add in a block to our thank you page. So if I go down here to referral partner sign up, click add, and click add to thank you. What this is going to do is it's going to show this block right here that says refer a friend and get a reward on your thank you page after any customer places an order, and all they'll have to do is click this get referral link button and they'll receive their link to share with their friends, and this will automatically create them a partner account inside of your store in the app, and whenever anyone goes through their link, they will automatically receive store credit. So we're going to go ahead and add that in and just click on save. You can also add it into the order status page too if you want. So you can go down here and then click add to order status. And you can add it to this page as well and click save. And then we can close this out. Then we have the option for automatically sending an email to invite customers to join the referral program. So we're just going to leave this as checked. And then there's also an option to have high performing referral partners be invited automatically to become affiliates. So you can choose to enable or disable this if you prefer. Now we're going to be setting up our affiliate commissions. So first thing we have to do is set our commission rate. So you can choose what percent of the order that you want affiliates to receive. So by default, it's set here at 15, and then you can choose whether you want to pay your affiliates via PayPal or bank transfer. For right now, we'll just keep it set as PayPal. And then you have the payout threshold. So once an affiliate reaches this threshold, then they will be ready to receive payment, and you'll have to go ahead and process the payments. This keeps it a little bit cleaner instead of like just paying out with every single commission. That could get very tedious. So this lets you pay out multiple orders in bulk. So you can set this threshold to whatever you want. By default, it's at 50. Then we can go next. And now we just have to add a couple of things for the affiliate program. The first thing is going to be the affiliate dashboard for your partner. So if I click on add block here, this is going to be the dashboard that our affiliates in the store are going to use. So if we come down here to affiliate dashboard, click add to the accounts page, we'll see that this is what the affiliate dashboard is going to look like. So they'll be able to see all of their earnings, whether they're pending, due, paid out, and then lifetime. They'll be able to see their commission rate, their discount codes. They can create discount codes. They can generate links for specific product pages specifically, and then they can set their PayPal email or save their bank information here if you chose bank transfer. And then you can see their orders and payments history. So once we add this in, we're just going to click on save. And the cool thing about this is that this affiliate dashboard is all right inside of your existing store. So your affiliates aren't going to have to log into any third party portals or anything like that. So the process is going to be very simple. They just log in your existing store. So it keeps everything very streamlined and on brand. So once we've added that in, we do want to add this to our menu here, our account menu. So you just want to click add to menu, and then we have the affiliate dashboard, and you can just click the check button right here and then click save. So that way it will now show up on this top menu here for customers when they're logged in. Then we can come back over here, and then now we have the sign up form link. So by default, the app's automatically going to create a sign up form for affiliates. So you can see this is what the sign up form will look like by default, and you can customize it as well if you want, if you're on the pro plan. So this link will automatically be created at this URL in your store. So all you have to do is click copy link, and you can come over here to content. So I'll open that up in a new tab, and then we'll come down here to menus, and then we'll go to, in this case, I'll just go to the main menu, but you can add this to any menu you want. We can click add menu item, call it something like become an affiliate, then paste the link in, click the check mark, save. So now the application form has been added to your menu. So now you can choose whether you want to auto approve affiliates or not. So the app lets you manually review all of the information that affiliates submit in their sign up form. But if you want to automatically approve affiliates without having to manually review it, you can check this here. But we'll keep this unchecked for now, and then click on next. And then lastly, we have to enable the partner tracker embed on your store. So we're just going to click on activate embed, and then that will activate the partner tracker for you. Now, if for some reason this button isn't working, you can just go to your online store theme customizer and then come straight up here to app embeds, and then just enable the partner tracker right here manually, and then just click on save. Now, once you've done that, we'll close this out, and then you can just click on finish setup, and just like that, the app is completely set up. You don't have to configure anything else. So at this point, I'm just going to show you how the actual functionality works in practice. So we'll run through both the referral partners and the affiliate partners. So we'll start off by opening up the online store, and I'll click on become an affiliate, and I'll go ahead and apply for an account right here. So I can fill this out and then click on join program, and we'll see application submitted. And whenever somebody fills out an application, you'll receive an email alert. And then if we come over here to partners in the app, we'll see that we have the status of pending. So what we can do is we can click on action to click view details, and then we can see all of the information that was inputted. So we can see like the website, follower account, social media, etc. So after you review this information, you can choose whether you want to approve or reject the account. In this case, I click on approve. So now this affiliate account has been approved. So next, what I'll do is I'll show you the perspective of the affiliate, and we can see what this looks like. So I'll come over here and I'll just log into the store with that account. So we can see this is the email I used for setting up the affiliate account, and we can see that we've been approved, and we get access to our link immediately that is created inside of your store. And then if we jump over to the store, I'm logged into that same account. If I go to the affiliate dashboard here, we can see we have access to our dashboard with our discount code and our links here. And if I wanted to generate a link for like a specific product page URL, I can do that here. So you can save the PayPal email, etc. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this link, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when we purchase through this link. So we're going to go to a private window. I'm going to put in the link right here, and then we're just going to go ahead and place an order. So now you can see going through this link, we added a product to the cart and we're automatically receiving the discount code since we went through the affiliates link. So if I go to checkout, so we're just going to go ahead and check out right here. So we went ahead and checked out and now we receive the affiliate discount code. And since we went through the affiliate link, this affiliate is going to receive commission for this order. And also, while we're here, we can take a look at what the referral program looks like. So we can see that we just placed an order and now we see the refer a friend get reward. And we can just click on get referral link and this will automatically create a referral account for this customer. And if I went back over to the app really quick and we go to partners again, we can see that now we have another active partner, except they're in the referral program because they joined by clicking get link on the thank you page. And we can see that they're automatically created right here. So what I'll do quickly is I'll show you now if we go back to this store and I just clear this out and we go through the new link that we just received. Now, if I were to go and do the same exact thing and add this to cart, we can see that now we're receiving the discount from the referral partner as well. So both of the programs are going to work exactly the same, automatic link creation. The only difference between the programs is referrer partners are essentially going to be smaller scale partners. So these are going to be just everyday customers that may want to share your product with a friend or a family member. And then affiliates are going to be your larger scale accounts, such as like influencers, etc., that are going to be sharing your products with a large audience. So the main difference is just how these partners are paid out. Referrers are going to automatically receive store credit to their account. Affiliates are going to be paid out in cash commissions manually. So now if we come over to the orders page in the app, you can see any referral orders that are generated by any of your partners. We can see the test order we just placed right here from our affiliate account, and we can see the partner shares. We can see that they earned $13.50 commission here, and we can see the status is pending. So all commissions for affiliates and referrers are going to be pending for 14 days to account for fraud attempts, refunds, returns, etc. So all commissions will enter the status of due after 14 days, which is then when you can pay out your commissions. And then after this 14-day period is gone and these payments go from pending to due, if you go over here to payouts, they will show up right here, and then you can go ahead and export the payout information of all of your partners that are due commissions, and then you can pay them out all at once. So with that said, that's how you can set up an affiliate program in your Shopify store in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need any further elaboration on anything, be sure to leave them down in the comments down below. Subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in another one.